Welcome back to Crypto Explainer, your go-to channel for all things cryptocurrency. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: APEXONE AI, a decentralized free cryptocurrency trading platform that combines the power of human intellect and artificial intelligence to help you make money in the world of crypto. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest crypto updates. Alright, let's get started. Introduction to APEXONE AI. APEXONE AI is a game-changer in the crypto world. It's a decentralized, free cryptocurrency trading platform that allows you to make money through a cutting-edge concept known as smart farming. This innovative technology combines the human mind and artificial intelligence to help you profit from cryptocurrency pairs. Smart farming technology. So, how does smart farming work? It's simple. All you need to do is choose a cryptocurrency pair and create an exchange pool. The platform is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence algorithms and quantum computing techniques, which work tirelessly to capitalize on the price difference between the selected cryptocurrency pair. About the project, now, let's talk about the people behind APEXONE AI. They are a group of professionals with a strong ambition to merge artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency market operations seamlessly. APEXONE AI's smart farming technology is designed to maximize benefits for its clients. Advanced technologies. APEXONE AI's team is committed to using the latest software solutions and machine technologies to grow the pool of participants and capitalize on the decentralized digital money market. Cybersecurity. Security is a top priority at APEXONE AI. While APEXONE AI believe in free access and exchange of information, APEXONE AI also value individual privacy. They understand that your personal information is valuable, and they take extensive measures to protect it. Their multiple layers of security protocols ensure that your investments and transactions are safe and secure. Account setup. Now, let's dive into the practical side of things. To get started with APEXONE AI, you'll need to create an account. Simply click the Sign Up button and use our referral link in the description to get exclusive bonuses. Investment statistics. Once you're logged in, you can access investment statistics. But don't worry, we'll walk you through the investment process together later in this video. Smart AI Farming Overview. Now, let's take a closer look at Smart AI Farming. This is where the magic happens. You can see all the details about this innovative technology on our platform. Investment process. Ready to start investing? Here's how. First, specify the investment amount. How much do you expect to invest? Enter that amount. Next, choose your smart crypto pairs. You can select up to 5 currencies. And don't forget to choose your trading exchanges. You can also choose up to 5 exchanges. Yield farming. Now, let's explore the exciting world of yield farming with Smart Stable Yield Farming. This investment product lets you earn on floating interest rate deposits in stablecoins. You can also exchange BTC and altcoins for USDT and earn daily income for 50 days or more through smart farming. Investing in APEXONE AI. And now, for the most exciting part of this video, how to invest in APEXONE AI. We have $200 in our wallet, and to invest, we need to exchange it into Apex coins. Click on the Exchange button, and you'll be redirected to the bridge page. Select the coin you want to exchange. We're choosing USDT to Apex coin, enter the amount, and confirm the exchange. With the exchanged funds, select your investing amount, choose your crypto pairs and exchanges, up to 5 each, and click on Preview. Review the investment summary, agree to the terms, and click Start Earning. Wait for the confirmation, and you're all set. Here are our transaction details. Now, we are going to invest in this exchange's Apex coin. We have selected the maximum amount, which I have already exchanged from USDT to Apex coin, and we are going to find the best ROI pair for our investment. You can see here that we have found a pair with a 20% ROI, and the time period is 40 days. Now, everything is set for the preview. Click the checkbox if you agree to all the terms and conditions, and then click Start Earning. It will take some time to prepare the investment, so please wait for confirmation. Now it's all done. Here, you can see the active smart farming details. If you click on the overview, you will be able to see the details of the investment. Withdrawing profits. Don't forget, you can easily withdraw your profits by clicking the Send button. And there you have it. You're now ready to get started with APEXONE AI. Just follow the link in the description to create your account and begin your crypto journey today. If you enjoyed this video and want more crypto-related content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!